as dawn approaches and the world comes alive. This is not just any other day. Something special is about to happen. This is the big day for Rosalie's Raptors to hit the field to count as many species of birds across Hawk Mountain's viewshed. Many teams across the state will be hitting the field for this inaugural year of the Breeding Bird Blitz created by the Pennsylvania Society of Ornithology. In supporting any one of these teams, funds raised will be utilized to protect vital habitat across the state of Pennsylvania. So please support Rosalie's Raptors in their efforts to protect and preserve habitat across the state. And as Hawk Mountain Sanctuary founder Rosalie said it best, the time to protect a species is while it's still common.